अब हम आपको दिखाएंगे कैसे हम हेल्प डेस्क से एचआर और एक एम्प्लॉय के प्रोसेसेस बेहतर और फास्टर बना सकते हैं, जिससे कि हम हर बारी एचआर डिपार्टमेंट हमें जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। हम यहीं से सॉफ्टवेयर से एक टिकट रेज करेंगे, जिससे कि हमारा एचआर डिपार्टमेंट जाना बिल्कुल बंद हो जाए और हम एक टिकट के फॉर्म में कोई भी इशू रेज कर सकते हैं। या अगर हमें विजिटिंग कार्ड तक कोई चीज़ चाहिए, we can raise a issue or a help desk need from here. We will go to help desk and we'll go to support ticket list, and then we can see we go to add new ticket on the particular dates. So we have many categories for tickets. You can put the ticket subject as urgent or anything you feel like as regarding whatever the issue is. So we put ID card here. So I need a new ID card. I will go to admin and I will go to ticket type. I will click ID card because I need a new ID card, and then the ticket will also automatically be assigned to the particular person in admin. Further, you can put remarks if you need the ID card urgently. In the recommended by column, so as you can see in the recommended by column, it's basically who recommended this thing to you. You can put it or leave it blank, it's optional. Say for example, my HOD recommended to me that go to this portal and put this ID card request, so I can put my HOD's name, Mr. Rajiv Madan. Further, if you need it urgently, you're going on tour, you can put it in remarks, what is your urgency, and you can attach a file if you want a new photo to be uploaded or any other new data, or you want it looking like your driving license. You can attach any kind of file you want the new ID card to look like in terms of the data and the photo, and then you generate the ticket, and this will automatically go to the concerned person who has to organize this for you. तो अब हम आपको दिखाएंगे कैसे हम कोई भी एचआर क्वेरी है और हमें एचआर डिपार्टमेंट एक्चुअली फिजिकली जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हम यहीं से क्वेरी रेज करेंगे बाय गोइंग टू द हेल्प डेस्क। हेल्प डेस्क पे जाके हम सपोर्ट टिकट लिस्ट क्लिक करेंगे, फिर हम ऐड न्यू टिकट करेंगे। We'll click the add new ticket tab, and then we can add a new ticket regarding any of our HR issues. We click the category of HR, and then we'll have subcategories such as attendance issues, salary issues, GPA, all kinds of issues. So we'll take an attendance issue for an example, and then as you can see the concerned person assigned already to handle your ticket and the issue. You can say recommended by my HOD or by another employee or anyone for that matter. You can give a detailed description of what your issue is exactly in your attendance, whether it was a miss punch, whether it was some kind of an issue you were on duty and you forgot to punch, or any other issue, whether your salary has not come right. You can put any issue you like, and further you can even attach any kind of file to support proof for the issue that you are raising, and then you generate the ticket, and there the issue has gone and been submitted to HR. Further, when the issue will be getting resolved, an automatic email will come back to your email regarding the status of your issue and its closure. So as you can see the status of your tickets by going on the help desk and clicking support ticket list, and you can see all the pending tickets that are there. You can see the status of each ticket, which is the ticket that you lodged is new, which is closed, which is in process. Then further, if you want to see in detail what is the response to the ticket, you can click on the ticket and click view ticket, and the receiver side, the person would have responded, and Nisha said, I said it is showing absent on 5th May. Nisha said leave was not approved by your reporting manager, that is why it was considered absent. So now I know I have to get an approval from my reporting manager for that leave. That's it. Thank you.